Oh, you're making a U-turn? Brake, dude, brake, brake. Oh, what the f are you doing?
This older rider suddenly finds his lane disappearing, and he's about to be sent on an unplanned off-road ride. From behind, the rider gets the full view, and funny enough, their chat at the next light makes it even better.
All those days motocrossing paid off.
Oh, yeah?
You didn't see me go off-road back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Speed can be fun, but sometimes it comes with a price. On regular highways with big bumps like this, all it takes is one uneven spot to send you into a crazy speed wobble. Cruising down the road, this rider gets completely wiped out when a white car suddenly cuts him off, leaving him with no real escape route. A perfect example of why awareness is everything out there. When lane splitting, you usually watch for cars merging, not for someone opening a door. This clip's a reminder that surprises can come from anywhere.
Napierz ja!
Dostum, iyi misin?
Wet roads and heavy throttle are a dangerous combination. This rider gives it a bit too much gas and the bike slips right out from underneath him. These cops hear a rider coming, or do they? Just watch what happens the moment he rounds the corner. Trying to bump start his bike by giving it a little run, this rider breaks a peg mid-hop, losing his balance and sending himself straight, well, you can see where. Group rides can pressure you into riding faster than you normally would. Here, the rider either misjudges the next turn or gets distracted for a moment, and this sharp corner arrives faster than he's ready for.
È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? È successo? Successo? È successo? Sì, sì, ma tranquilli. Sì, sì, è stata tutta controllata, vai tranquillo.
Fermo lì, ti sei fatto male?
No, sono entrato... se non ci fosse stata quella gobbetta lì... perché l'ho vista stringersi, ho visto che era proprio... Ho detto buco, meglio buco che guardrail. Sì, ho capito, bro, ma porca...
Startled by a baby deer darting across the road, this rider almost goes over the bars trying to stop in time. Skill or pure luck? What do you think? Riding one-handed like a champ, this biker shows just how crucial distance and braking control really are. One mistake here, and it could have gone very differently.
It's time to bleed your brakes.
Making his way through traffic, this rider hesitates to lane split after spotting a car starting to undertake on the right, and that quick judgment potentially saves him from being sideswiped seconds later.
I know you have a voice of a drive, but please slow down. Okay? Slow down, okay?
Sometimes the smallest decisions make the biggest difference. After being warned about his speed, this rider holds back when a BMW rockets past him, and not long after, he comes across a scene that proves he made the right call. Glancing back to check on your buddy might feel harmless, but timing is everything. This rider looks back just in time to see his friend run wide and hit the guardrail. A clear example of why it's crucial to ride your own pace, no matter who you're with.
Fermo, siediti. Fermo. Dove ti sei fatto male?
Fermati.
Te l'avevo chiesto apposta se conoscevi la strada, vecchio. Fermati un attimo. Dove ti fa male?
Tutto quanto qua.
Riesci a muoverla?
Sì. Ok, dai. Fermati.
Stopped at a light, this rider and his buddy are about to have their days flipped upside down as they're hit without any warning. The silver Kia behind them suddenly launches forward, slamming into both bikes. It's a perfect reminder why spacing and awareness matter, even when stopped.
다른 거 더 챙기실 거 없어요? 저분 이행이에요.